up, and I hope you're having a great night for today because in Philippines it's already night time and it's 8 a.m. or 20 hours for a military sniper. I actually still don't know what to do for today because here's the hard truth. I'm not releasing the beach episode part 2. So I have a guest, which is my dad. Papa say hi. My dad's on the phone. So this thing is working. I'm just using it for cosmetic dubs. This is the new setup for being spray dirty because my sister sprayed it. Wait, it's good again. I'm scrolling on the mic. So today we're gonna be discussing stuff I didn't discuss in the beach episode. The beach episode but that was on my last day on the beach episode. I didn't have time for editing. I had to release it right away because we were going somewhere. Papa, actually I'm recording video right now. I don't know if it's on my videos, but I'm actually in Philippines. I was born here. I chose to speak this language. I didn't actually start. I actually didn't start. Speaking this language until I was like 5, until I finally learned it from my Uncle Joe. By the way, I don't know if I'm gonna gain any subscribers from this video. So if you're watching this right now, just like and subscribe, share it. I'm still never gonna post a short unless my mom lets me get into the editing software. I usually need stuff. I have something set up, which is probably already told you, but my uncles are there. This is my dad's phone. So I have some things. I am using my dad's phone sometimes. Oh, that's just Philippines. As long as you didn't know. So those are my uncles. If you want to see them, they're right here, by the way. I'm gonna put them. They're right there. These are my uncles. Or two of them, probably. We help build the store, whatever. We only sell snacks and food, dishwashing stuff. So, and I'm also in the Philippines. I'm not gonna expose my, location. It's already been 3 minutes. Time goes fast. My uncles are singing right now. If you want to see them again, they're right there. Oh wait, they're right there. Because it's probably best for me to talk to you, the viewers, and ask for subscribers. Dad, you want me to record you? Sure. Okay. Sure. There you go. This is awkward. This is definitely awkward. 50 times more awkward than the last time I peed in school. Peed by circumcision. I don't know. I'm trying to picture this. because mom definitely put a new software in here and I can't find this editing software. I can't use CapCut because I cannot edit there. It's so hard. I only have like Microsoft Pictures. And I can't even use it for my videos. So I just have to record and then play the pictures. Play. And also this tablet has a keyboard. You didn't notice. Look. This is editing software. Oh yeah! It's pretty dirty here, pretty dirty. But it'll so bye. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. Go.